Hi. So, in order to create an EA account, you can go to their website, ea.com, and then you want to click on this little icon that looks like a profile icon, and then you have the option to create an account. You can go ahead and click that. You can use your Google account or just create it from scratch on the EA page. I'm going to show you how to create it from scratch. So we choose our country. I'm from Croatia. This is my birthday. There we go. Email address. There you go. EA ID, doesn't matter. This is your username. And a password. At least one lowercase, so let's do something like... There you go. You can set your profile visibility. And you have to accept this. All of these are optional. So either their newsletter or if you want to allow players to find you with your email address, you can check that as well. And then you just click create account. You verify your email and you'll be good to go.